Hello students, today we are going to revise the chapter Heron's formula. Now the first question is find the area of a triangle whose sides are 13 cm, 14 cm and 15 cm. Now let us take this triangle. This is 13 cm, this is 14 cm and this is 15 cm. Let the triangle be ABC. Now in this first that we think we have to find is semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is the sum of all the three sides divided by 2. So that is S is equals to A plus B plus C upon 2, where A, B and C are the sides of the triangle. So first we will find S is equals to 13 plus 14 plus 15 upon 2. 13 plus 14 is 27 plus 15 is 42. 42 upon 2 will cancel this. This will become 21 centimeter. So semi-perimeter is 21 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of triangle that is given by the formula. Area of triangle is equals to, the formula is root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is semi-perimeter of the triangle and A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. Now let us put the value. Semi-perimeter we have calculated, that is 21 centimeter, and this is 21 minus A, that is 13 centimeter, then 21 minus B, that is 14 centimeter, then 21 minus C, that is 15 centimeter. Now let us solve this. That will be 21 into 21 minus 13 is 8, 21 minus 14 is 7 and 21 minus 15 is 6. Now let us solve this. We will make the factor of 21, that is 3 into 7. The factor of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2 and 7, and factor of 6 is 2 into 3. Now I will make the pair, this 3 and 3, this will become 3, 7 and 7, and then we have 2 and one more 2 is there. So now we will multiply this to get the final answer, that is the area of triangle. 3 7 are 21, 21 2 are 42, 42 2 are 84. So the area of the triangle whose sides are 13, 14 and 15 centimeter is 84 centimeter square. Now let us solve the question number 2. Find the area of a triangle two sides of which are 8 cm and 11 cm and the perimeter is 32 cm. Now we know that the sum of all the three sides is equals to perimeter, which is therefore it will be A plus B plus C is equals to 32 cm. Now the first side is A is 8 cm, second is 11 cm. We will find the third side. That will be equals to 8 plus 11 is 19 plus C is equals to 32. So C will be equals to 32 minus 19 and that will be equals to 13 centimeter. So we got the third side, that is equals to 13 centimeter. Now we will find the area of triangle. Before that we have to find semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C upon 2. In the question perimeter is given 32 centimeter, so it is 32 upon 2, that is equals to 16 centimeter. Now we will find the area of triangle. We know the formula, that is root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now let us solve this. S semi-perimeter is 16 and this becomes 16 minus A. What is A? 8. Then we have 16 minus 11 and then we have 16 minus 13 that we have calculated, that is C. Now let us solve this. This is 16 into 16 minus 8 is 8 into 16 minus 11 is 5 and 16 minus 13 is 3. So now 16 can be written as 8 into 2 into 8 into 5 into 3. So this one more 8 is there. So we will take 8 into 5 into 3. So we will make the pair of 8. So this will come outside 8 and remaining thing is 2 into 5 into 3, that is 30. So the correct answer is 8 root 30 centimeter square. So if the triangle are having the sides 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter and perimeter is 32 centimeter, then the area of the triangle will be 8 root 30 centimeter square. Now let us solve the third question based on Heron's formula. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of equal side is 12 centimeter. Find the area of triangle. Now we know isosceles triangle have two sides equal. So this is isosceles triangle I have made, in which equal sides are 12 centimeter and 12 centimeter. The third side is not given. So we can have A plus B plus C, that is equals to perimeter, and perimeter is given 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. So equal sides are 12 plus 12, and the third side we have to take as C. So 24 plus C is equals to 30. So C will be equals to 30 minus 24, that is equals to 6 centimeter. So third side will be 6 centimeter. Now we will find the semi-perimeter. S is equals to A plus B plus C upon 2, and the semi-perimeter is given in the question, that is 30 upon 2. So it will become 15 centimeter. Now we will find the area of triangle. So area of triangle will be root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Semi-perimeter we have calculated, that is 15. Then we have 15 minus A, that is 12. Then we have 15 minus B, that is again 12. And 15 minus C, that we have calculated, that is 6 centimeter. 15 minus 6. So now let us solve this. This is 15. And 15 minus 12 will be 3. This will again be 3. And 15 minus 6 will be 9. So we'll make the factor of it again. 15 into 3 into 3. And then the factor of 9 is 3 into 3. So now we'll make a pair. This 3 and 3. So that is 3 into 3 root 15. So that will be 9 root 15 centimeter square. So the area of a triangle whose perimeter is 30 centimeter, and it is isosceles triangle and each of the equal side is 12 centimeter, and the area is 9 root 15 centimeter square. Now let us solve the question number 4 from the topic, that is Heron's formula. Find the area of equilateral triangle of side 10 centimeter. Now we know equilateral triangle is having all the sides equal. So each side will be equals to 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So all the three sides will be equal. So now first we will find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C upon 2, and that is equals to 10 plus 10 plus 10 upon 2, that is 30 upon 2, and that is equals to 15 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of triangle. So area of triangle will be, we'll write the formula first. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is semi-perimeter is 15. So write 15 and write 15 minus 10. Again 15 minus 10. Again 15 minus 10. So it will be 15 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 15 will make a factor of 15, that will get 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. This will make a pair, so this will come outside. So 5 into 5 and this root 3 will be left. So root 3 centimeter square. So the answer will be 25 root 3, 25 root 3 centimeter square. So the area of equilateral triangle of side 10 centimeter is 25 root 3 centimeter square. Now let us solve the fifth question based on Heron's formula. The perimeter of a triangular field is 450 meter and its sides are in the ratio 13:12:5. Find the area of the triangle. Now we'll say let the sides of triangle be 13x, 12x and 5x. Now the perimeter is 450, so we'll add all the three sides. 13x plus 12x plus 5x is equals to 450. So 13 plus 12, 25 plus 5, 30x is equals to 450. So x will be equals to 450 upon 30. That will be equals to 15 meter. Now we'll find the side. A will be equals to 13x, that is 13 into 15, that is equals to 195 meter. B, that is 12x, that is 12 into 15, that is 180 meter. Then C is 5x, that is 5 into 15, that is equals to 75 meter. Now we have to find the semi-perimeter. So S will be equals to A plus B plus C upon 2, and the sum of the perimeter is given in the question, that is 450. So 450 upon 2, that will be equals to 225 meter. Now we will find area of triangle. Area of triangle, you know the formula, under root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now we'll find the semi-perimeter is 225 into this is S minus A. S minus A, that is 225 minus A is 195, and again 225 minus 180, then 225 minus 75. Now let us solve this. 225 and this is 225 minus 195, so we'll subtract this, so we'll get the answer 30. 225 minus 180, that will be equals to 45, and 225 minus 75 is equals to 150. Now let us solve this by making the factor of it. 225 can be written as 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. 30 will be written as 2 into 3 into 5. 45 will be written as 3 into 3 into 5. And 150 will be written as 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now we'll make the pair. This 5 will make a pair, will come outside. This 3 will make a pair, will come outside. This 2 and this 2 will make a pair, will come outside. This 3 and 3. This 5 and 5. This 3 and 3. And this 5 into 5, that is making the pair 5. Now when we multiply this 5 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 3 into 5, we'll get the answer 6750 meter square. So the area of triangle whose perimeter is 450 and whose sides are in the ratio 13:12:5, the area is 6750 meter square.